Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Kaz over at Flair Auto Group, and I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. Just wanted to do a quick video walk around of our new inventory. This one's a 2016 Infiniti QX80. This is their full-size third row. Direct competitors, I would say maybe you're looking into a Tahoe, a GMC Yukon, something of that nature, Ford Expedition. Now, I was looking at the Carfax report just to get an idea of what the vehicle came with. It does provide an original manufacturer sticker. Base price was $63,000, guys, and by the time they were done with this, $78,000. I'm talking 15 grand worth of upgrade. And this thing is really phenomenal. It is, and honestly, in my opinion, underappreciated. First, it's the luxury brand of Nissan. They use the same motor inside the Nissan Titan, which they're essentially bulletproof, rated for 200,000 plus miles easily. And they put it in their SUV. This one has bench style seating, so maximizes occupancy up to 8 passengers. It's got a DVD player, all of this space, very comfortable, a lot of great safety features like blind spot detection. You get parking sensors, backup camera, so it's loaded pretty much all around. Now, this one does have a remote start. One of my favorite features, you get a power liftgate. The third row in the vehicle is automated, meaning you just basically use a button to lower it. Now, for the sake of the video, I kind of just left it there. It's a bit too slow, but you can easily move them like this. It does have tinted windows with lots and lots of space on the inside. It looks gorgeous, very nice and clean. And these are your DVD players. You get heated seats in the back, and here's a quick view of the front of the cabin. Sunroof, premium sound system, navigation, backup. It definitely has it all and much more. Listen, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I hope to see you guys in person. If you have any additional questions about this one, do not hesitate to reach out and I'll get you taken care of. Bye-bye.